Chapter 5 subjects Women Change the World. In previous chapter, we saw how women work in home and not recognized as work. We devalued that work. We also read how doing household work and taking care of family member is full-time job and there are no specific hours at which it begins or ends. Women have been facing inequalities at every step since time immemorial. No doubt, their position and the status have been improved with the change of time, but still they lag behind men in almost every field. In his male-dominated society, they fail to avail equal privileges and opportunities. It has also been seen that the same occupation are considered to be more suitable for men than for women. It means women are good at only certain jobs. In this chapter, we will also learn about how women struggle for equality, getting an education was and still is, and one way in which new opportunities were created for women. This chapter will also briefly trace the different type of efforts made by the women's movement to challenge the discrimination in more recent years. Fewer opportunities and rigid expectation. A lot of children like Rosie Ma'am's class 2, women as nurse, men as army officer. Why this thing happen? Because many believe that the women do not bear technical mind or physically strong. So that is why the people put it uh, the woman for a specified work. Okay, the work like the people think the woman is make better nurse because they have more patient and gentle. If we compare the man is fit for the work those require more physical work, technical mind. So that kind of work which require more physical work and technical mind, that is for men. So when uh, we have a fixed image of a person and a community. So that is known as stereotype. And stereotype prevent us from looking at people as unique individual. Because we fix our ideology, we fix our view on particular community or group of people or individual. Like here, if we take the example, like here, we fit that the household work only for the woman and the outside work only for the men. So that is kind of stereotype. Who says? Right now, if we talk about today work, the women are doing household work side by side outside work. Okay, so the stereotype when we have a fixed view, ideology, or frame or picture on a particular people, group of people, individual or community. That is stereotype, and stereotype is a very bad for the society. Fine. There's no any scientific reason behind it. If I ask you, fill these boxes. Okay, see what images filling this table that the farmer for men or women. So you write down only name on it. That you what you think about that this work for farmer or that work for women. You write down name on your book. Okay, everyone. So same with the Rosie ma'am class. In my class also, you all have put it the male in farmer box. But if you look at this picture, you realize that that women are busy, and these two women are busy in farming work. So it is according to data that 83.6% of the working women in India are engaged in agriculture work. Their work including weeding, planting, harvesting, threshing. So why we only think that a farmer work only for the men? So that is our stereotype. That is still in your mind. That work is only specified for the men. So I think I hope it is understood by all that agriculture work is not only related to with men.